Alright boys, so this one's gonna be a little different. Just want to stay, sorry if the video quality's, editing quality's a little subpar today. We're kind of up against a bit of a time crunch. But here, I'll fill you in. So, we're out here at Bran's cabin. It's a pretty nice place. But we were supposed to be going out here for, to do some fishing. But last night we got a little, things went a little late. Had a bit of a chug off. Bran won, but he's feeling it. We were well into the afternoon and I've seen no sign of life from him so far. I left him some bacon, but I confess I've already started eating it. He did tell me he has to film a video, like he absolutely has to film a video today, but we absolutely have to go fishing today as well. So we're just gonna try to bang this video out real quick and so we can get to some fishing, because that's what it's all about when you're at the cabin. Anyway, so I actually do have an idea for the video. It's gonna be a good one. But first we gotta get Brandon out of bed. I can think of exactly one good way to do that. Yeah, there he is. Brandon. No, he's still out. Wait, what the hell? He's got his... I don't know if he's trying to charge his beer or if he's using his charger as a coaster, but either way. Yo, Bran. Come on.
Chill.
No, Bran, I got your... Oh, yo, I got your next drink for you. Come on. Yeah, we told you, man. We got it.
What time is it?
Dude, it's like 2.
No way.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, man, you fucking slept.
Oh shoot.
But like, come on, we gotta do this video so we can get to the fishing. Yeah.
Did you do an intro?
Oh yeah, it's already done, man. And I got every.
Oh, dude.
I got an idea for the video too. Like, it's gonna be sick. But first, I think we should start with a tour of the cabin, though.
A cabin? All right.
Come on, it's sick. People will love it. Like, I love these old log cabins. They're fucking great.
Okay, snap into it, boys. So just woke up. Okay, what did you already say something?
Yeah, just kind of filled them in. We're at the cabin.
Okay, word.
Said, yeah. So I figured we'd start with a little tour of the cabin.
All right, boys.
I don't think they've seen it.
Back in action. We're back in action, boys. We're supposed to go fishing today.
Yeah, no kidding. I wanna.
Thank you so much, man. Yeah, tour of the cabin, boys. Yeah, I know. I freaking said the other day that you guys wanted a tour. Washroom. We got a back bedroom. Mandatory. Here. I mean, cabin isn't that sick, but it's a home to me. You know what I mean? It's
pretty sick.
I love it, man. I love it. We got this. It's my nana and grandpa's room right here. They're not in there, but it's in there. We won't show that. I don't know. It's a public space. I don't know. We got this here. We got this here. Boys, welcome back. Back in action. So I just woke up. I don't even know what's going on. What is this? What's Clamato?
Yeah, just awesome. Just pound it back, man. Trust me, you'll feel better once you've had it.
You gotta love Ian. Where's my dog?
I think Sarah just took it for a walk.
Okay, word. Fishing rods. You already got those going?
Oh yeah, they're set up, man. They're
cool. Guys, kitchen. Let's go. Kitchen. I'm snapping into it now. Have my first sip. Let's go. Kitchen, sick. Whatever it is. Next.
Yeah, show them the view, man. That's the best part.
Funny story, as a kid I broke my nose on this walking into the glass. Ever since then my family put a rainbow on here so people would know that this is glass. Then we got the veranda. Oh, you know, bed. And then we got the frickin' lake, bro. We got the frickin' lake. We got some sandbars.
Yeah.
Sick. Are we doing that video that you said, like, where I give you money for a package?
Yeah, exactly. It finally came in. You're gonna love it, man. Oh,
yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, sick, man. Dope. There's your tour, boys. Appreciate you. Back in action. We're back in action. Ian just told me that this is gonna be lightly edited. Sorry for that again, but we gotta go fishing. It's like prime fishing time right now, or something like that. I don't know.
We kind of missed it already, but like I want to get out there anyway.
Word? Okay, so anyway, no editing on this video, boys. Kind of like a one-take thing, but I really wanted to do this where I gave Ian, what was it, a couple weeks ago? Maybe?
Yeah, it was like 3 weeks ago, I think.
I gave him like $150.
It's 100 US. So.
100 US dollars to just literally give me something to unbox for you guys. And, you know, I don't know. That we're gonna see what he's gonna give me to unbox.
Oh, man.
Are you stoked for it? I'm
gonna,
surprised you actually brought it, bro.
You're gonna dig it.
Word?
Yeah, here we go.
Boys, comment down below. We got mystery boxes down below in the description. One of you guys in your mystery box is gonna get a Xbox Series X or a PS5. What the hell is that, bro?
So, okay.
That's not, no, you gotta bring it up here. No, or you just cameraman it. No, you cameraman it as I do this.
All right. Well,
yeah.
So remember, like I saw your video the other day. You were looking for a little something from LIL Baby.
Order anything online. You just gave me a beer cooler.
Well, no, it's inside the beer cooler, man.
This is my beer cooler.
Yeah, I'm giving you your own beer cooler. No, you gotta open it. Like, remember a while you were looking for a certain what was it, pendant from LIL Baby?
How many thumbs up? Wait, what?
You were looking for that
pendant from LIL Baby?
Yeah. You were having a little trouble finding it?
Did you watch that video?
Yeah.
Really? You watched? I didn't even know you watched the videos. I thought you just participated. That's funny. Okay.
Oh, I watch the videos.
Did you actually find it?
Open it up, man. You're gonna love it.
How many thumbs up down below? You say it. They don't do it when I say it.
I don't know, 10,000?
No, say 1,000, because we never get 1,000 thumbs up within the day when I say it. You say
okay, 1,000 thumbs up. Let's go, boys.
Did you actually get the pennant?
Yeah, open it up, man. Just come on.
You're trolling me.
What?
You trolled me.
Come on, pull it out. Let the boys see.
I know where you're getting at, bro. You gave me jorts.
Well, I mean, the pendant is jorts, though.
Put the thing up right here. I have to edit it. You edit it. Put the thing up right there. You gave me jorts.
Well, I mean, they're not just jorts. Look, turn them over. See, there's the pendant.
Oh, that's kind of funny, actually.
Yeah.
Really?
Like, I did get the pendant, just like...
You did get the pendant. It's not the jorts, bro.
Yeah, I mean, but they're nothing without the jorts, so I figured...
So this is your goof.
I don't know. I don't know if I call it a goof, but like...
Put the picture on the screen side by side one more time. This is your goof?
Hey man, the pendant. Hey man, the pendant was always This is my reproduction of a reproduction.
I feel bad because I know right now I'm a little hungover. I'm gonna have to put up a regular thumbnail that I've usually done. I'm gonna have to hold up the real thing and tell y'all that I got the real thing, but you idiot.
It's basically the same, isn't it?
Are these Sarah's? No, they're not Sarah's. Whose are these? Where did you get these?
They're not mine.
I don't want the jorts, bro.
Oh man, I spent like 30 seconds hot glue gunning those on. Come on.
Funny, actually. That's good. Good job, bro. That's funny as hell, actually. Freaking jorts.
That's a good point, though. I actually don't know whose jorts those are.
It would have been funnier if I remember correct. See, his have like money out of it. You should have stapled money coming out the pockets.
If I could have found your wallet, I would have.
Well, god damn it, man. Okay, well, here's your piece, boys. Where'd you even get this from?
Where did I buy it?
Get the right piece.
Yeah, no, it's like it's the right piece. I mean, I didn't get it from the best website, but
I don't know if I'm like proud of you or stoked right now. I don't freaking know. All right, let's go fishing. Boy,
yeah, let's get some fish.
Love you to death. That sucked, dude. Actually, that sucked. No, I'm re-mad. I'm re-mad at you. Let's go.
I mean, you did also sleep through the best fishing part of the day, so.
Is that true?
Oh yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry, man. Okay, let's go.
It's no problem.
We'll grab your shoes. No, appreciate it, boys. Peace.
Right.
Captain vlog.
Yeah.
Good.